Hey friends, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. First I want to apologize. I do not have anything prepped as far as what projects we are working on currently, which we are working on this mini album, this magical winter mini album. And we're also working on, oh, by the way, I will put the playlist to this. If you want to get caught up, I'll put the playlist to this up here in the cards and down below in the description box. And then we're also working on the flip-flop journal, which we haven't actually worked on this in a while. But I also have a playlist for this. I will link it up here and in the description box. So these are the two projects we're working on currently. And I apologize, I don't have a actual prepared video for you guys today. And I've just been like super busy with getting ready for Christmas and doing stuff with the family and getting ready for family to come in for Christmas to stay with us and shopping and whatever it is that we've been doing. I just feel I was this morning when I woke up, I was just like, what did I do yesterday? What did I do yesterday? What in the world, right? I just am losing complete track of time. But anyway, I have been meaning to do a end of the year thank you coupon code. So I thought, well, I'll just take the time to make a quick video for you guys and tell you what that is. So in case you missed the last coupon code, it was a 50% off coupon code. In case you missed that, I'm going to do another 50% off coupon code. So the coupon code is GIFT Gift 2022. And it is good for 50% off everything in my Etsy shop. Whoops. With a $10 US minimum purchase. Now that $10 is before tax. Okay. And sometimes I know with different currencies and stuff it can be difficult, but it will tell you, it should tell you a total and whether or not the coupon code is going to work. So if you have any issues, just contact me and I will see if I can get them resolved. Just contact me through Etsy, through your purchase, and I'll see if I can help you out. This code is valid until the end of the year. So valid until midnight, December 31st, 22 at midnight. Or January 1st, 23 at 12 a.m. Okay? However you want to look at it. That will be when it expires. But I also wanted to take the time, so it's valid from today. This is, what is today? Today is December 19th. Let me double check. December 19th, 2022. And it's valid until the end of the year. But anyway, so I also wanted to take a minute and just say thank you to each and every one of you who have watched a video, have liked a video, have commented on a video, have subscribed to my channel, have purchased something from my Etsy shop, favorited something from my Etsy shop, reviewed something from my Etsy shop, tagged me in videos, tagged me in Instagram posts, contacted me, sent me any sort of mail, whether it be a letter or a gift or any of that. Anybody who has been a part of my life over the past year, I just wanted to say thank you. I wholeheartedly appreciate each and every one of you. And I appreciate the fact that you show my channel love, you show my shop love. I hope that I do the same for you guys. I hope that you feel like you're part of my community, part of my family. Oh, I guess I should have mentioned Facebook too. Good grief. Anybody who's part of my Facebook group who actively, actively talks in my Facebook comments, communicates with one another, likes posts and all of that. I forgot about my Facebook group. I can't believe I forgot to say Facebook. That's like one of my big communities here in the online world. Well, anyways, I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are so special to me. Without you guys, I wouldn't have Genevieve Designs. I wouldn't be creating. I wouldn't be making special, just random projects for no reason without you guys. I wouldn't be making scrapbook albums, mini albums with you guys. I wouldn't be making new templates. I wouldn't be making new printables, new anything. I wouldn't be doing anything that I'm doing online without you guys. And I just thank you and appreciate you so very much. And I wanted to wish you guys a happy holidays. And I'm going to be making more videos through the end of the year. But I did want to make sure that I say happy holidays, happy New Year's. And thank you for being a part of my life. And I truly, truly appreciate you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.